After your airbags have been changed, it's also required to fix the seat belts if they are the type that have an explosive charge that causes them to lock when an airbag is detonated. And you have to reprogram the airbag control module. See my other videos that talk about that.
Okay, and so you open the front passenger side door and put your hand underneath this piece of trim and just pop it up and pull it out of there. And the same thing in the rear passenger side door. Get your hands under, pry it up, pull it out. And to remove this silly seatbelt cover, so at the base of the seatbelt there's this rubber doodad right here. Just kind of wiggle that up out of the way. And these things, this is how they install. They hook in at the top and snap down at the bottom. So to remove it, you just do the reverse of that. And then pop this trim piece up and out and up. And then you can bend the seatbelt down like this and pull the trim right out. Like that. Once you've got the trim pieces off and out of the way, use a pick and pull up on the orange tab, and then you can remove the yellow connector. Do that on both of the connectors here, and then use a 15mm socket to remove these two bolts. And take notice, when it's installed properly, this tab is up inside the pillar, and this black tab, which is part of this metal right here, comes down behind that silver bracket and protrudes up here. I'll give you a good look at that. That's how it's supposed to look when it goes back in. Use a T50 Torx bit to remove this bolt right here, and in order to get at that, you need to take a plastic cover off. So that's how the seat belts come out. And these two bolts down here and that Torx bolt at the top, on this vehicle they were 30 foot-pounds. Check your manufacturer.